Okay.
Hi, my name's Emily Connor, and I'm going to be a senior at the University of Tampa. This summer, I was an intern at the World Aquarium in St. Louis. Luckily enough, at the beginning of the summer, I was allowed to attend a conference in New York at the United Nations called the Oceans Conference. There, I got to network with a lot of scientists and government officials. There at the conference, the main goal was to find ways to help save our oceans and the world of water. Specifically at the conference, I found that there was a lot of issues with plastic in our ocean. This is what inspired my research project this summer. Initially, when I researched plastic, I found that there was a lot of solutions. A lot of times you can use bacteria or other biological matter to help degrade plastic. UV radiation also degrades plastic along with heat. I wanted to find a solution that was natural to our world, so I decided to go with carbon. Initially, I degraded my plastic with a pre-treatment of heat, sunlight, and salt water. After we found that there was initial degradation of these plastic pieces, I then added either a control group, carbon, or nanocarbon. After about 3 weeks, we found that the carbon attached to the abraded surfaces of the plastic, specifically outside in the sunlight and UV radiation, we found that there was a significant amount of growth on these abraded surfaces with carbon. The attachment of carbon to these abraded surfaces allows biological matter to attach to the plastic, which will further degrade our plastics. So here are some pieces of polyethylene that I used for my project. And as you can see, the outdoor pieces are a lot brighter, are a lot wider than the indoor pieces, which shows that they are degrading further. You can also see that there's a lot of biological matter starting to grow on the pieces. Here I used a microscope that allows you to take pictures through the screen here. And this is where I got to see what really happened at the surfaces of the plastic. Through this microscope, I was able to see the cracks that were induced by the degradation of this plastic and where the carbon started to grow.
Perfect.
Okay.